The Rack Shop is proud to present this Toyota Tacoma with the Yakima JetStream SkyLine base roof rack system. This is actually utilizing the factory connection points, and that should be good for Tacomas from 05 to 22 in the double cab form. You can double check our website, therackshop.com, for complete year range fitments. So here, it's installed with the Yakima specified 50-inch load bar. If things don't look quite right, this is actually loosely attached. This customer's final application is going to have the 60-inch load bar. So we just kind of head through some 50-inch bars so you can see what the Yakima fit guide recommends. So there you go. The next step up is 60-inch bar. So 5 more inches on each side, so a little more space to work with. So if you need a little more room, you might choose to bump up to the next bar. Otherwise, this is what you can expect. So the landing pad 24, which is attached to that SkyLine tower, it's actually connecting to the vehicle. The LP24 does require some drilling into the trim. No drilling into the truck, but into the trim. So make sure you read through the instructions before you make the purchase or start the install to make sure this is what you're after. So those bars are in a fixed position, I believe just over 40 inches. Click the link in the description or visit our website, therackshop.com, for complete specs on this system, and also should have 165-pound carrying capacity. So one thing to note, with that bar spread kind of wide and at a fixed position, not all accessories are going to work with that bar spacing. So also kind of plan out what you want to carry before going this route. They do have the clamp-on system, which is a more narrow crossbar spacing, which will accommodate a lot more accessories. So just lots of options depending on what you want to carry. There's also the lock and load platform in lieu of the crossbars that you can add to it, which is a really nice setup. And I think we might be doing that on the shell of this truck down the road. But yeah, there's just a quick look at the JetStream SkyLine base roof rack system using LP24 landing pad 24. For more details, click on the description, link in the description, visit our website, therackshop.com. All right, come on by the shop. We'd love to talk over your options and show you in person. So that's it. Thanks for watching.